Hello guys, tonight I'm gonna make some chopped suey for supper. As you see, I start cutting my pop choy, and I have my chicken over here. I have my onion. I'm gonna use a little garlic plus, and I'm gonna use olive oil. Okay, so now I'm cutting my pop choy. I'm gonna have this with some white rice. That's how I used to eat it back home. I remember when I used to go to Kingston, and I used to buy this from a Chinaman in Kingston. It was all so very good. Oh my God. But it's a long time I've making this, so hope it may come out the best. Okay guys, so now I have 2 teaspoons of oil in my pan, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and I have 2 chicken breasts that I have seasoned already. This is in the fridge. So now I'm gonna pre-cook them. I'm gonna pre-cook them a couple of minutes, then take them out and put them in the fridge. And then I will add my pop choy and my onion, and then I add back my chicken. So guys, tell me how you cook your chopped chili. You can give me a comment down below and tell me how you do yours. No problem. And if you have any question, I will answer you as soon as possible. And you can comment and tell me what next would you like me to cook. I will be here. So I'll be eating this, guys, with a little white rice. I'm seasoning some rice. My son loves white rice, so he loves dumplings too, but I am not in the mood of cooking any dumplings today. Maybe tomorrow. But tonight I'm making some white rice with the chopped chili. The chicken breast is smelling so nice because it was seasoned maybe 2 days now. I have it seasoned, so it's smelling so nice. Okay guys, so now my chicken is finished. I'm going to transfer it to this plate over here. Now I'm going to put my pop choy to steam. In my bowl I have onion and a garlic inside. I'm going to add my, it's still a little hot. My pot is too small for all my pop choy. It's gonna go down in a minute anyway. Yeah, so now I'm gonna just cover it for a few seconds, and then I come back. So I know as the steam touches, it's gonna go all the way down. So as I just add a little more. I'm so happy I'm making this because I can have lunch tomorrow. It will be enough for me to get have some lunch tomorrow too. Clean as I go because I don't like to see my stove dirty. So I'm gonna add some. Let me add some of my garlic plus on top. I'm gonna add a little garlic plus. Not too much seasoning, guys. The garlic plus don't have no salt anyway. I don't really cook with salt. Because I have high blood pressure, I don't really cook with salt. Just whatever seasoning I use, that's enough for me. But you guys, you just add add your salt to your flavor. Because I don't really cook with a lot of salt. So. And I mostly use garlic plus or the easy spice season from Jamaica. Maybe pretty soon I can have that on my channel for sale too. I'm looking about that. See if I could get them ship it to me here. If they ever agree to ship it to me, I could have it here. So you can have the same seasoning I cook with. So start going down already. Give it a couple more seconds, 2 minutes more, and then let's see. I'm gonna add my onion now. My onion, my garlic. I'm not gonna cook it too much because I need to have some crunches inside. I'm not gonna cook it too much. I'm not gonna steam it too much. I'm gonna give it another minute and then I add the chicken to it. Okay guys, I'm gonna add some butter to it, and this is my brand of butter I use. I try to do everything as healthy as I can. And now I'm gonna add my chicken. And maybe I'm just gonna make it for a couple of 2 minutes or 3 minutes, because I don't want my pop choy to be too soft, because I like to taste a little crunchy. So guys, I use only 2 chicken breasts, and I don't know how much pop choy was it. I pick up maybe 6 head of bok choy. So guys, you can see it's almost finished. Guys, I'm going to turn off my stove now. I'm going to take it off the stove. I don't want it to cook too much. So guys, I'm going to show you a plate after. So me and my son gonna have supper now. Thank you guys, and guys, remember to subscribe, like, and share, and comments, please. Put some comment in the comment box for me, please. Give me something to do. Thank you.